Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get an account here in Semrush. Let's begin. Now, getting a Semrush account is very easy. All you have to do is visit the website at www.semrush.com. And once you are here, click the sign up option on the upper right corner. You see the green button. This will forward you to this option. You can continue using your Google, or if you're using your personal or maybe business email, just use that and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, putting all this information is very important because it helps Semrush with their algorithm. And from here, you would be welcome to this option, all right? Before you dive into a bigger commitment with Semrush, you might want to test waters and gauge if this is going to be the perfect platform for you. You can try the Pro, which is going to be 7 days free, but that is $139 per month. And the Guru comes at $249 per month. But if you want to skip trial, just click this button right here. You would be forwarded to the option on the Semrush, which is one of the best platform for SEO related content. Now, once you are successful signing up, you can track your SEO performance, discover opportunities for growth, and analyze competitors. All right, you can access the Semrush dashboard right here. Once your account is set up, you can log in and begin exploring the Semrush's suite of tools, including keyword research, SEO audits, competitor analysis, and more. You can also enter your website name, click Start Now, and get an AI-powered insights and start optimizing your online presence. All right. And again, if you wanted to upgrade your plan, just go to the upper right corner where you can see the upgrade button. It would be forwarded to the options again earlier, wherein you can choose from any of the following plans suitable for you here. All right, the Pro is for freelancers and small businesses. The Guru is ideal for growing agencies and businesses with more extensive needs. And the last one is going to be the Business, designed for large businesses and agencies with advanced requirements. All right. If by any chance you are having problems creating your account here in Semrush, do not hesitate to contact any of the following channels. You have all these: contact sales, help center, need help, contact support, and a lot more. All right, you can also type in your question here to get an answer. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.